We're going to take a look at the gold market today, along with some others that look real interesting, but we'll start out with the gold market. As you can see, we've been watching this for quite some time. We did have the three drive to a bottom pattern form with this final A, B, C, D leg that came in within $1 of the exact low. So it was very interesting to see that happened. As a matter of fact, this is set a little bit wrong, as I recall. Let's just redo that and see what it was, because I remember we were watching it very, very closely, and it worked pretty much what we thought. Yeah, there we go. We came within exactly $1, went $1 lower. Then we had the really strong rally. This is why it's so important to watch the gold. This is the strongest rally we've had in several years based on the amount that it's gone and the quickness that it did that. We exceeded the last rally that we had here, also the last rally in 2014, and we're looking at this long-term 20-man line that's coming down from a long ways back. As you can see, that line connects right spot on to this level down here at 1191. Now what I do is I'll go to a smaller chart. We'll look at a 40-minute chart, excuse me, a 240-minute chart, which is a 4-hour chart, just to get to see how close as we possibly can. You see, we had this ABCD pattern that we had here. This came in on March 19th, as you can see. Then we had this came, excuse me, on the 17th. Then we had the 61% rally back here on the 21st. That completed the ABCD that got us down here to this 206 level. The low was 206. We rallied up and we made a 61% retracement of this move. Then we came down over 3 days and we made a retracement here. We made an A, B, C, D, which was the Gartley, and we did rally about $15 off of that bottom. But this is the one we have to watch, folks, because if it gets down here, this is a real opportunity in my opinion, because it's taken 3 weeks for the gold to come down just to a 382 retracement. There's probably going to be some stops down here at this area of 1190, 1191, maybe not. But frankly, I would be looking to buy it somewhere in this area right here. If you have a chance, you could watch it at that time and see that it's going to hold. But if we get below 1181, that would tell us that we're pretty much off base. That's at 1.618 of that larger move that we had back here. Now, what I do is I would look at this just a little closer, and I've already done this. I put this swing in right here so you can see the move coming down. The 127 comes in at 1194, and the 1.618 comes in at 1181. So what I'm going to be looking at sometime Sunday or Monday, possibly even Tuesday if it takes that long, we'll see what happens. Now, the second alternative is if we break this high of this line that we've got going here, this is basically a very nice trend line. And if we break above this high, which would be above 1240, this thing might have already bottomed and it's on the way. We'll have to do an alternate strategy. But right now, it looks like we've got a chance for it to get down to this one more time, and that would be an ideal situation. Take a look at the gold report that I sent you. There's a lot of information there. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, but it's all set up nicely. So keep a close eye on the gold. Live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.